So guys, welcome to another fire dance tutorial. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do the shake and the go dance by Nah Sammy. You know that dance? Yes, this dance. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to do it now. So this dance I've been training all around, not just Africa. It's originated from Nigeria in Africa and then to the whole world. See, this dance is so beautiful, and it's like it's got everybody doing it, and it's owned by one of our the next generation of biggest content creators of our time. It's called Nah Sammy. Follow me on TikTok, okay? I'll tag this page over there. So guys, this dance is so sweet, like it's so nice. So I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna break it down on how you can do it, okay? I know a lot of you have been struggling. There's some of you be doing this. No, that is not TikTok. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. So this dance is very sweet, okay? Now, open your legs, first of all. You feel me? Open your legs, like spread it wide open. Then, like, bring down your body, yeah. Bring it down like your shoulders. Hey. sorry for that. Bring down your shoulders like this. Now, as you do, put your hands like this. Your hands like this. Then move your hips. Your hips. Look at my hip is moving. Don't move your legs yet, okay? Just move your hips first of all. As you're doing it, it's gonna hurt because of it's like you're moving one particular part of your body and the others are just staying still. So normally it's gonna hurt, but just do it, okay? It's part of the process of learning this dance. So everything in this life costs. It costs something, okay? For you to know how to do this dance, you have to go through a little bit more pain, okay? A little bit of pain when you learn this dance. So move your hips. Can you feel it? Ooh. Ooh. So as you're moving your hips, then stand on your feet, like stand on your legs, like tap your legs on the ground. See, see, my hips are still moving, while my legs are going up and down, up and like up, down. The my hands are always like this, like a robot. So, shake them, they go, shake them, they go, shake them, they go, shake them, they go. Ooh, shake them, they go. You feel me? Yeah. Can try that dance to it. Can you feel me? So guys, that is it, okay? That is how to do the shake and the go dance by Nah Sammy, originally from Nigeria to Africa and to the whole world, okay? So guys, this dance is so sweet, it's so awesome. So if you want to learn more dances like this, welcome, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me up consistently, okay? I'm going to be posting more dances like this every time, okay? Also, just drop on the comment section which tutorial I should do next, okay? Which dance I should create for you. Thank you. Whew. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Mickey. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all post notifications, okay? Thank you.